Now once again I want to recall about that SMS. S stands for social distance and M stands for mask, and you have to use soap or sanitizer to wash your hands regularly. So maintain these three regularly. Okay. Now in the previous session, in second chapter, polynomials and factorization, in previous session what we learned? Degree of the polynomials. Okay, then they are according the terms, the polynomial name will be given. If a polynomial is having one term, it is called a monomial. If a polynomial is having two terms, it is binomial, and three terms, trinomial. Like that we learn. And according to their degrees, according to their powers also we learn the names of the polynomial. If the power will be 1, it is called a linear polynomial. If the power will be 2, it is a quadratic polynomial. If the power will be 3, it is a cubic polynomial. Like that. Okay. Now in this session, we will learn the zero of the polynomial. How can you find the zero of the polynomial? Okay, there are two ways to find the zero of the polynomial. First, what is the general form of a zero? What is the general form of a polynomial? That is ax plus b. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay, this is the general form of a polynomial. Okay, in this, how can you find the zero of the polynomial? This is only for linear. Okay, this is the linear polynomial or general form of a linear polynomial. This is. Now it implies x is equal to minus b by a. By using minus b by a, we can find the zero of the linear polynomial. This is one way, directly can find. Otherwise, one more is there. You have to substitute the values in x place, and whenever you will get the zero, that is the zero of the polynomial. Understood? I will explain that too. Okay. First definition is zero of the polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial means a linear polynomial in one variable. A linear polynomial, one variable has a linear polynomial of one variable, a linear polynomial one variable, the zero. First you want to write zero of the polynomial. What is meant by zero of the polynomial? If a polynomial linear, to find zero of the polynomial, zero of the polynomial for a linear polynomial, to find the zero of the linear polynomial, we use minus b by a. If the polynomial value, if the x value, if the variable will be 0, use minus b by a. So, linear polynomial is having only one zero. Okay, this is a zero of the polynomial. Now, one example you see. How can you find the zero of the polynomial? polynomial. See, take out page number 34. Page number 34. Example 1. Page number 34. Example 1. P of x is equal to x plus 2. Okay, find P of 1, P of 2, P of minus 1, P of minus 2. What were the zeros of the polynomial x plus 2? So, what is the polynomial is given? P of x. What is P? P is the polynomial. Polynomial of x is equal to x plus 2. Then, what you have to do? You have to find P of 1, P of 2, P of minus 1 and P of minus 2. Okay, all values you have to find. Means in place of x you have to substitute first 1, afterwards 2, afterwards minus 2, minus 1 like that. Then after that, where you are getting 0, okay, where you are getting 0, that value is the 0 of the polynomial. See, for example, first we will find P of 1. P of 1. So, 1 plus 2, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then, P of 2, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now, P of minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. Now, P of minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 2, 0. So, where you are getting 0? When P of x is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to minus 2, then you are getting the polynomial 0. So, therefore, what you will write, ma? 1, 2, minus 1 are not the zeros of the polynomial. So, therefore, 1, 2, minus 1 are not the zero of the polynomial. So, what is the 0 of the polynomial? Minus 2. When you are taking minus 2, then you are getting 0. So, therefore, minus 2 is therefore 1, 2 minus 1 are not the 0 of the polynomial. Only minus 2. Only minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Understood? Only 0 is the minus 2 of the only minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Like that you can do. Now, second example. Find the 0 of the polynomial. See, one more method is there. Suppose, like this values is given, you can do. In second example, if you see second example, suppose here only, if the values are not given, how can we find? This is values are given, we can do. Now, suppose values only not there, how can you do this one? That only the example 2. See, example 2. What is example 2? Find a 0 of the polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. This is a linear polynomial. Why it is a linear polynomial? Because power will be 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Now, here values are not there. So, how many values will substitute? 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So, we don't know. So, what you will do? I said one formula is there for linear equation, for linear polynomial to find the 0. What is that? If you use minus b by a, if you use minus b by a, directly you will get the 0 of the polynomial. So, now what here? First you have to write what is a and what is b values. Let a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1. Okay, ma'am? Now, if any values are not given, directly you have to find the 0 of the polynomial. I said what the formula that is? Minus b by a. Minus b by a. Okay, now minus 3, b value is how much, ma'am? B value is 1. This is A, this is B. B is equal to 1 minus 1 by A value is B. That equal to minus 1 by 3. If you substitute minus 1 by 3 here, then you are getting 0. Otherwise, or simply one more also there. This method, or you can do what is given? P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 is given now. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. It implies 3x is equal to this plus 1 will go that side, become minus 1. Then it implies x is equal to minus 1 by 3. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. Understood? So by using this also you can find, otherwise like this also you can find. You will get the direct 0 of the polynomial. Okay? Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay? This method or this method you can do. You can do any one method. Okay? Either this or that. This is the to find the 0 of the polynomial. Now, third example. What is third example? Find the 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 1. Same this way only you can do. Okay? 2x minus 1 is equal to what you will get? Third example. Example 3. What is that? P of x is equal to 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. So direct you can do, otherwise say we did not like that also you can do. That is 2x minus 1. It implies 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 you can do. Now 2x is equal to this minus 1 will go that side, it become plus 1. It implies x is equal to 1 by 2. Understood? You will get this one. Otherwise, use the formula and you can do. Or, what is that formula to find the 0 of a linear polynomial? Minus b by a. Minus b by a. Okay. If you know this one, direct you can do. Otherwise, like this also, you can do. Now, what is minus? What is the b value here? B is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 2. Now b is equal to minus 1. This minus is a formula minus. Then b value is also again minus 1 by what is the a value? 2. That is minus into minus plus 1 by 2. So both sides you got the same answer, no? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Understood? 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Like this you can do it. Okay, ma'am? Now 3 examples I explained. Now 4th and 5th you have to do it as a homework. Now we'll start exercise 2.2. Open page number 36. Now exercise 2.2. Out of 5 examples, 3 examples I explained. Remaining 2 you have to copy from the classwork textbook and open page number 36. See exercise 2.2 first one. Find the values of the polynomial. See, polynomial is given, some values are given that you have to substitute in the x place. So what is the polynomial? P of x is equal to first sum. First write out the polynomial what is given. 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay, this is the polynomial. Which type of polynomial this is? How many terms it is having? It is a trinomial and power is 2. It is a quadratic polynomial. If the power will be 2, it is a quadratic. Now, first bit is x is equal to 0. What is first one? X is equal to 0. So, substitute x value in this given polynomial. So, P of, when you are taking x value, Here also you have to substitute. So P of 0 we are taking. Now 4 in place of x 0 you have to substitute. 0 squared minus 5 of 0. Of is nothing but multiplication. Then plus 3. Now 0 square is nothing but 0. 0 into something become 0. Minus 5 into 0. 0. Plus 3. So what is the answer? 3. This is first one. Now second, x is equal to minus 1. Now x is equal to minus 1. So when you are taking x is equal to 0, you are getting 3. Now p is equal to p of minus 1. That is x value is minus 1. Now substitute in the polynomial. 4 of minus 1 whole square minus 5 of minus 1 plus 3. Now that is minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1. That is plus 1. Plus 1 into 4. 4. Now here minus into minus. Minus into minus become plus. 5 ones are 5. So plus 5. Now plus 3. So how much more? 9, 3, 12. Okay. Now when you are taking p value is minus 1, you are getting 12. Now fourth one, x is equal to 2. No, sorry, third one. X is equal to 2. That is p of 2. Now substitute in the polynomial. 4, 2 square, 4 of 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. Now first you have to square the 2. 2 square means 4. Again multiply. 4 4s are 16. Minus 5 2s are 10 plus 3. Now this is 16, no? So add plus numbers first. Plus 16 plus 3 plus 19. Plus 19 minus 10. That is 9. Okay. Now x is equal to fourth bit. X is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Now p of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 of 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 of 1 by 2 plus 3. Now, here 1 by 2 whole square means how much you will get? 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Now, 4 into 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4. Now, 4 will cancel, no? So, what you will get, ma? There only 1. Here 1, no? 1 into 1, 1. 1 minus. Now, how will you multiply this? 5 into 1 by 2. Is there any cancellation is possible? No. So, you have to multiply numerator into numerator. That is 5 by, see 5 ones are 5 by 2. Okay. Now, 5 by 2 plus 3. See, first plus numbers will add it. Plus 1 plus 3. How much will get? 4. 4 minus 5 by 2. Now, how can you subtract this one? You have to take the LCM. 4 minus 5 by 2. So, what is the LCM here? Here up I will do. So what is the LCM we will get there? 2 is the LCM. Now here denominator is 1. So 1 divided by 2, 2. 2 into 4, 8. 2 4s are 8. You know already LCM. So from 6th to 7th onwards, in 6th to 7th, 8th classes we learn it. So now no need to write 1 into 4, 1 into 2 like that. Direct you can do. Now 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into 5, 5. So what you are getting by here? 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5, 3 by 2. So when you are taking this much of values, where you got the 0? Anywhere you didn't get the 0. So here there is no 0 polynomial. So by how we can get the for quadratic polynomial of a 0? That you have to factorize it, then you have to get. Okay, that previous topics we learn. Only here linear polynomial only we learn. That is minus b by a. Now what you will do for exercise 2.2, 37 page number. Your homework will be already examples 2 I given, that is example 4 and 5. Examples 4 and 5 you have to copy from the textbook, and exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Second one only substituting of values. How we did in the example 1. Otherwise now only we did know that one. Like that you have to do. Only second sum full 5 bits you can do. Okay, exercise 2.2, second sum full. Means 5 bits only is there. Only 5 bits. Okay, easy homework. This you can copy from the textbook and lessons. Okay, I hope you will be understood. Please complete the homework. Thank you, children.